In most whitefish processing factories, you will find a Baader 51 skinner in a factory line. The Baader 51 is a straightforward machine to operate, and the adjustments made on the machine are primarily down to two adjustment screws that adjust the width and tension of the knife. Therefore, the machine easily can be overlooked regarding maintenance. Hi, my name is Rayan, and today I want to share our experiences regarding maintaining the Baader 51. Here are some details.
The Baader 51 is no youngster, yet it is found in many production facilities today due to its simple design and easy maintenance. A great thing about the Baader 51 is that it is a set and forget machine. However, over time the bearings will wear, and there are some things you need to be aware of to keep the machine in good condition. Apart from keeping the knife sharp, there are only two settings on the machine you need to adjust. The left and right side are regulated separately, but should always have equal settings on both sides. The first one is adjusting the tension on the spring, which always should be set to 1.5 mm. The second one is for adjusting the gap between the skin cylinder and knife. The gap between the two should be 0.05 mm. This distance is changed here. It is possible to make additional adjustments inside the machine, but it is not an alignment task any longer if you need to do that. More likely, you have worn-out bearings. If you continue to run the machine with worn-out bearings, other parts on the machine, such as the skin scraper cylinder, will break.
The message is clear. Proactive maintenance is cheaper and saves you a lot of headaches. But what is your experience with the Baader 51 or just maintenance in general? Feel free to hit me a comment and share your experience with us all. Thanks for watching.